We sawmill, make railroad ties and siding lumber. We've been here at this site for about 25 years, but we've been sawmilling for probably 50 years. We got 2 Komatsu wheel loaders. Had one several years, got several hours on it. It's done a great job for us. It was a little bit small for the job, so we went to a little bigger wheel loader, which is a 270. We use them for anything on the yard. Loading trucks, unloading trucks, moving dust, chips, whatever comes available for it to do. We've had real good service out of them, not any major breakdowns with them at all.
We've got a 270. He'll unload some logs sometimes. The 270, he'll tote the logs over to Knuckleboom, the Barco, and he'll run some of the sawmills. He'll load lumber packs, load log decks, load flatbed trucks. And the little 200, most of the time we use it just to move sawdust, load sawdust trailers. You know, it's a little light, so it can't do a lot of the things that the 270 or some of the bigger lifts do. So most of the time it kind of sticks to like cleanup, bark, you know, chips, dust.
Fire equipment has helped us out in times we needed help. It's been good for us. You know, the liability of the machine means everything. If it don't crank up and run, you're in trouble. So we've had good service.